Hey guys, in order to update your website inside DragAttack, all you need is to update all the animations that are forming this website. One by one, I'll open the studio for each animation and I'll update the HTML inside. Here, I'll move the Who I Am section to the top, for example. But I'll do similar things for the other animation. I'll open them, I'll search for changes in the HTML, I'll make them directly in the browser, and I'll close and save each one of these animations. They are forming my website, so at the end I'll get updated website directly in the browser. Here it is. Let's check. In About Me section, we can see Who Am I on the top. And down there, Thank You is with capital like before. We'll check Education. Actually, I checked it for lowercase y's and changed them to capital. In Companies, we can see Thank You at the end with capital letter. And the same in Portfolio. They were lowercase y's and they were updated to capital ones. That's all guys. Just go in the browser, open the studio and change the HTML. Bye.